Want to personalize or secure your T-Mobile home internet? Changing the Wi-Fi name, also known as the SSID, is the first step. It allows you to easily identify your network and hide it from unauthorized users. You can change your T-Mobile gateway's SSID through the T-Mobile app, updated in September 2025. Simply navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. For browser access, connect to your T-Mobile Wi-Fi, open a browser, and go to 192.168.12.1, common for newer models. Log in, usually with admin as the default password. Find the Wi-Fi section and update the SSID for both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, and even the 6 GHz band on newer gateways. After changing, always use WPA3 encryption for security. According to a 2025 Consumer Reports study, 70% of users customize their SSID for better security. Band steering automatically directs your devices to the best Wi-Fi band, such as 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, or 6 GHz, for optimal performance. It prevents devices from sticking to slower or congested bands. T-Mobile gateways have band steering enabled by default. Adjust band steering settings in the Wi-Fi section of the T-Mobile app or web portal. Some users might prefer to manually assign devices to specific bands. Newer gateways use AI for smarter steering. Experts at Ars Technica and AnandTech rate T-Mobile's band steering highly at 4.5 out of 5, praising its auto-optimization. However, occasional oversteering can cause temporary disconnections, as noted by Wirecutter.